Eco Laundry Detergent 96,192 loads, in the by Eco Sprout is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. Eco Sprout Detergent is an eco-friendly, all-natural detergent that's great for your entire family, and safe for cloth diapers, and sensitive skin. It will clean and disinfect your diapers while rinsing clean. No more battling with eye-watering ammonia smells, as Eco Sprout dramatically helps neutralize the odor. The scent is for you to enjoy and will freshen your washing, maching, and make your laundry room smell nice. It is designed to safely wash out of your diapers or clothing, and leave nothing behind but a clean, fresh scent. Detergent is safe for all water types, and is designed to work with both heat and conventional machines. Detergent is free from dyes, brighteners, enzymes, phosphates, and is SLS free. It is also 100% natural and biodegradable.